guys, welcome again to the BTC Daily Update. I hope you are doing great today. In today's BTC Daily Update, I will be analyzing the BTC Daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, and we will be looking at the weekly time frame as well. So stick around to the end of the video because things will get very, very interesting. And as always, like, share, subscribe. It means a lot if you can help the channel grow. With that being said, let's jump straight into the charts and see what's happening on BTC charts. So basically the daily time frame, I'm going to start with the daily as usual because it is the easiest time frame to analyze. So there's a couple of things on the daily. Last time we did the BTC daily update, I told you guys that most likely what's going to happen with BTC is a chop, especially if we are able to hold this area, basically this trend line right here. And we did hold the area and basically we chopped, but there's a difference now. So the question will be, will we continue chopping, or is there something new in the chart? Now there is something new in the charts, something positive and something negative at the same time. So I'm going to explain. So the positive thing is that this is looking like a break of structure. Reason being, this is the first time we are retesting and holding the trend line as support since, we had that. Okay? Minuscule thing, but still important. So we have a break of structure on the daily, which is bullish in nature. The problem is, so one would expect something like this and then continuation to the upside, right? The problem is that the daily indicators don't agree with this bullish structure on BTC. So the daily indicators are looking more, basically they're running out of gas. So they're slightly bullish with a bearish divergence. And by that, I mean that on the daily time frame, we're either going to have some type of bearish structure with a bearish divergence on the indicators, or we're going to have a bullish structure with a bearish divergence on the indicator. So it's either scenario A or scenario B. How will we know which scenario will play out? Well, it's easy, consolidation rule. If we see a lot of consolidation or we cannot break this area for the next, I would say 24 to 48 hours, then that just means it's going to drop. Okay? Because it should break that area if the indicators are at least slightly bullish on the daily time frame. So that's what I'm seeing on the daily. On the daily time frame, I'm seeing a slight bullishness on the daily with a bearish divergence forming, which means we either will form some type of double top and then drop towards the trend line and then analyze again, or even break through the trend line and then analyze again, or we are going to pop above this high, reclaim the 70K area, and then form that bearish divergence of the daily. On the 4-hour, unfortunately, same thing. On the 4-hour time frame is looking also slightly bullish with a bearish divergence, meaning we might have one more push up. Consolidation, basically, over the next 24 to 48 hours is bad for this. What we need to see is break of structure, and that will make the bearish divergence that we talked about as well on the 4-hour time frame. So 4 hours looking like the daily. It's slightly bullish with a bearish divergence. We're either going to get this with a bearish divergence, or we're going to get something like this with a bearish divergence, okay? Something like that. And again, the only telltale sign will be consolidation. So by the next 24 hours, if you see BTC still chopping here, not moving, especially by New York Open on Monday, then just move aside. It's going to probably drop once more to the lows at least, okay? So that's the 4-hour time frame. The 1-hour time frame, let's see here. The 1 hour is I would say it's bullish. I'm not gonna say it's bearish. I will flip bearish if we get a stochastic RSI bearish cross on the 1-hour time frame. But even if we do get that, I still think this should push up a little bit slightly more, at least to retake this wick right here, the 68.3K wick. And the weekly time frame, which is the most important time frame. So the weekly, as I told you, the indicators are still looking bullish. Today we are waiting for the weekly candle close. If we get a nice weekly candle close, bullish, green, juicy, that's going to be very good. Something else, any other type of candle close is going to be iffy, because if you get a neutral candle, that's iffy. It means there's no momentum, there's no buyers who want to buy BTC at 67.7K. And if you get some type of bearish candle rather, then that's also very bad news. So we have to wait for the weekly candle close, but the indicators themselves are looking still bullish. And I told you last BTC daily update, I said this is either gonna do this with some type of divergence and then start to move up, or it's going to continue breaking through to the top. Okay, so it could be this or even this, but we're getting to a breakout on the weekly at least. That's my personal opinion. But let's wait for today's weekly candle close and it will be clear for us, and then I'll probably analyze again on Monday, so after we get some data on the charts. So that is it for today's BTC daily update, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot if you can help the channel grow, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye.